What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage.
Woohoo! Thanks for tuning in for the Supra episodes. Episode 3, I guess you would say, right? We're doing stuff, cleaning, and bolting stuff down pretty soon.
Yeah, bolt it down.
So thanks for tuning in. Yeah, that's it.
Woohoo! Got all the bolts, hopefully. If anything else comes up, I just want the main, at least the tranny, the rear main seal, vacuum plate starter, the other motor mount. Just trying to get everything that would be in the back situated, so when I drop it in, I don't have to touch this at all. So that's my goal. I found the mount brackets, I found the bolts. So all I gotta do is, so the subframe's a little off, so I have to bring that up after. So he might have taken it off to pull it out easier, which is helpful for me. So yeah, let's get this all together. Let's clean up that. That's what I'm gonna do first, and then we'll pull the tranny in. I just cleaned it. Not 100%, but I could spend days on that because it's the 80s original tranny. It was gunked up. Yeah, get that on, clean this off, install the clutch, and then we're well on our way for this build. Hopefully we drop it in today. Whoop, whoop.
What are you planning on doing, buddy?
You know, use something flat, something heavy.
Yeah. Pretty much the same size.
Yeah.
Keep it even, just slam the center up.
No, I don't know. Let's see. It's going.
Slowly.
Let's see what it is.
Yeah. Just...
There we go. That's way better.
Stupid. How'd that feel, man? How'd that feel?
Grease lightning. There you go. Tape is around the backwards!
No, just kidding. That'll suck. It's in. We're good. Brand new rear main seal, baby.
Flush, 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 flush.
Flush your toilets.
I don't know if that's a spinning sequence. I don't care.
All right, here we are, everybody. Got everything on back here. Mostly everything.
Yep. Got the new clutch in. Just bolted the motor mounts. The tranny cleaned off. Yeah, got the pan on.
The pan, man.
Got it all glued in. Use the stickiest sticky. And we're missing some bolts, so we're gonna wait and just do a little prepping work to get it in and not even worry about it. I know that he has a wiring harness that is in the car, so I gotta shove it in there and then pull it through, because I'd rather do that and pull the wires through so I don't have to do anything from behind it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So,
we're gonna pop the hood off. It's pretty fun. It's a big old puzzle, but it's gonna be worth it at the end. It's so cool, yeah.
yeah, like $500, you can't beat it, baby.
I know, $500, man, with a rebuilt engine.
I think I paid for the motor and I got a free car with it. Oh, got it in there at least. So we'll fish it around when the motor's in and then start just.
That was fun. Yeah, everything lays down. It'll all be good. But yeah, it was fun trying to fish a couple connectors through it.
Well, we had to go through the whole feeding system.
It was good. Went right through that little hole right in there. That was cool. But yeah, everything. We'll connect everything once the motor's in and once Joey handles that. It's all you, bubba.
Start doing research on what I'm dealing with.
The what? Give me an update, Joey.
Trying to find the bolts for the transmission. Yum.
Yum.
Yeah, so we can get it together. Drop it in there. So a lot of just miscellaneous bolts finding. I bought some bolts, so let's just all match it up. Pull this out, shove it in, and get it all together.
Shove it in.
Shove it in clean, buddy.
You got it.
Easy peasy. Let's cross some threads.
Yeah. That was easy. Yeah, that was extremely easy, honestly. Yeah, after all the bickering, it worked.
What do you mean bickering? We're best friends.
BFFs.
Jug A Billy Cats, Jug A Billy Cats, Jug A Billy Cats.
Woo-wee. It's done. It's in. Woohoo! We did it, everybody. Yes, we got it in.
It's dropped in.
Yes.
Now take it to my house.
It's like it was made for it.
So yeah, what's the next episode?
Take it to my house, start wiring it in, and hopefully get started by the weekend.
We'll see what happens. So if y'all enjoyed this episode, give us a big old thumbs up. And if you enjoyed all the Supra episodes, comment, say hi, subscribe, have a good time with us, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, next episode, Joey's wiring his car together, and we'll continue from there. So until then, a big old woohoo!
Are you gonna drift?
Yeah.